Yep, back at it again. Well, not really. Like I said, I had this issue for a minute, maybe a year and a half. One of my brake lines, it's got two leaks, one right there and one right there. It turns rusty. But yeah, about to replace that one and see how it goes. If you're wondering how to take off these side skirts, pretty easy. It's got these plastic T30, T30 little screws, and then on the edges, I mean in the front, it's got one 8 millimeter, and in the back, it's got two. Yeah, I think it's a total of like 8 of these little plastic screws, and then that guard. Of course, these are some. I think they're like 8s as well. Nope, maybe 10s. Yeah, pretty simple. Just pry it off. It's held on by some clips. Yeah, you start at the edges and it just pops right off. Yeah, that's how it is. Any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll make a follow-up video, see how it goes. Like I said, I gotta go to the auto store, buy me some brake lines. Then get at it, flaring the tips, all that good stuff. Alrighty.